Hey guys, Kapper here, and welcome to part 2 of this mini series. This is a 101 acre parcel in southern Illinois, and this is Curtis's new property, which after the next week or two he'll officially own. We're just waiting on some closings for him, but today we're going to make some new roads. We're going to hit a major oak tree down across the road. You'll see us clear that and some more fun today. So thanks for joining us. Don't forget to hit the like button and stay tuned for more episodes in this project because we've been busy on it lately. So thanks a lot. Big oak down, so I'm gonna turn around and come up with a plan B. I do have a chainsaw in my truck though, so now I'm cutting what we see it on the aerial. It used to be a trail through here. I just gotta find it and clean it up, and then at the same time Curtis is gonna grab my chainsaw and open up that downed oak tree. I told him if he cuts it in smaller sections, then I can push it off. This is a beautiful piece of property here. Alright, we found a nice opening here that I'm going to continue to work on. Curtis is going to try to find some of these new trails. This is all overgrown, but you could see trails kind of like you could look here in the woods. So that looks like a trail. So he's going to drive that one. I'm going to cut the next one and meet back here and open this up again. Here's a look at this mess we're looking at. This was a huge oak tree. From me to the beginning is 25 feet away, and then we got another 20 feet that way. I'm just starting to dice it up in smaller pieces so we could start pushing it off with the skid steer. Here's the front look of this oak log jam. We're gonna grab a chain and we're gonna pull them one at a time with the skid steer. I know that's what it's not meant for, but I cut them small enough where there's gonna be really no risk to that mower. I mean, we could move them, but I'm trying to save us a bunch of back labor. Wow. And then we got lunch coming on the way. We got a nice little bonus pond right here where this tree is down. Otherwise I would have just went around it, but it's a good sized pond. You can kind of see it goes way back there, and this is a perimeter trail, so it's a really important trail to get open. That'd be cool.
Somewhere we can, you know, once they get fixed up, put a little camper and come out and stay a weekend. And
yeah, that'd be nice. All right, here we are. We punched through. Time to start with the skid steer now. Nice work, Curtis.
here's your plan. Your plan worked to a T.
I figured it would. Just take your time.
You got a lot of time and experience in it, so. Looked like they had it. You know, here's the taller tree line. It should just be
Follow
pretty much in line here.
Right, well, if I can't find it, I guess I'll make a new one.
Okay, good enough.
Get my second cocktail out here. Ready.
What's that, Red Bull and Gatorade?